Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to verify your Cash App card for Samsung Pay. Alright, let's begin. Open the Samsung Wallet app and make sure your profile is properly set up. Tap the option to add a payment card. You can either scan your Cash App card or manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Even if the card is verified and has sufficient balance, Samsung Wallet may not accept it. Unlike Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, which easily support Cash App cards, Samsung Wallet has restrictions. It does not recognize some financial services like Cash App as traditional banks. If you try to add the Cash App card through the app itself by tapping the three-dot menu on the card, there's no option to add it to Samsung Wallet. Because of this limitation, the card is not currently eligible to be added directly. One possible workaround is linking your Cash App card to a third-party service like PayPal. After linking it to PayPal, you could then try using PayPal within Samsung Wallet. However, this method involves multiple services and may not always work as expected. At this time, Samsung Wallet does not support adding Cash App cards due to its strict policies regarding financial providers. Unless Samsung updates its support list, this limitation will remain in place. So that's basically how you can verify your Cash App card for Samsung Pay. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.